What makes your clothes smell the best?
Ryan here, Silly Reviews. It's been 18 years since I reviewed. It was one of my very first reviews, Sauvitel.
Today we are reviewing Sauvitel.
That was back in 2006. We're in 2024. And look what's in the laundry room. Sauvitel. Now I can show you. I've got all the good stuff to make the clothes smell good, feel soft. We've got Snuggle, Gain, Odor Defense, Arm & Hammer, Odor Blaster, and I'm telling you, what's making this load smell so good, here, take a sniff, is Sauvitel. It's the winner, and you can get good deals on it. You get coupons, and I can show you how to get all this stuff for dirt cheap if you join my Telegram channel, which is t.me/silly deals, link in the description. But Sauvitel is the winner. I highly recommend it. And it's 2 thumbs up. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.